Beacon of Hope. Ayana Lolia Simone Sorrentino. Mommy, come with Yanni. Yes. Yanni's here with Mommy. Yes. Okay, Yanni.
Mommy is with you, isn't it? Yanni. Oh, Yanni, teacher's necessity will give you chocolate. Okay, Mommy. Yanni, I will ask you a question, huh? Hey. Would you follow Mommy? Susundin mo ba si Mommy? If Mommy tells you to study because magte-test na kayo? Okay, bakit? Ba't kailangan mo mag-study? Ba't kailangan mo pang mag-aral? Ng lesson? Okay, sabi ni teacher, sabi ni Mommy, para mataas ang grades, diba? Okay.